How many numbers lie between squares of the following numbers? We can solve these questions in few seconds, but we should know the basics behind this question. Now let's perform 1 squared. So 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 2 multiplied by 2, which is 4. So between these square numbers, we have 2, 3. So 2 non-square numbers. So between 1 squared and 2 squared, there are 2 non-squared numbers. Now let's try for 2 squared. So 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9. Between these square numbers, we have 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are non-square numbers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 non-square numbers between 4 and 9. So we can say between 2 squared, here it will be 3 squared. So between 2 squared and 3 squared, there are 4 non-square numbers. Now let's do for 4 squared and 5 squared. 4 squared is 16. 5 squared is 25. So between these square numbers we have 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 non-square numbers between these 16 and 25. Instead of calculating this, we can easily find the number of non-square numbers between these numbers. So for that, you need to check the condition first. It should be in the format n, n plus 1. That is, if I say n equals 4, n plus 1 equals, if you substitute n equals 4 here, so 4 plus 1 equals 5. So the consecutive numbers have been provided. So you need to check the condition first before applying the formula. It should be in the n and n plus 1 format. Next you need to subtract these numbers. So 25 minus 16. So 15, 1. So we get 9. So your answer will be 1 less than the difference of 2 squares. We have done the difference of 2 squares, which is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. So we can say 1 less than the difference of 2 squares will be your non-square numbers. Will be a count of your non-square numbers. Now let's try for these numbers. 6 squared is 36. 7 squared is 49. Between these square numbers we have 37, 38, 39, 40, then 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47 and 48. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 non-square numbers. When we subtract this, so 49 minus 36, when you take the difference of this number, you will be getting 3, then 1, 13. So we told that your non-square number count will be 1 less than the difference of 2 squares. Here the difference of 2 squares is 13. 1 less is 12. So we have got the total count as 12. So we can easily calculate this non-square numbers between these square numbers using the formula, which is 2n. For that, the condition is your square numbers should be in the form n, n plus 1, so that you can apply this formula. So 2 into, what is n? 4. So 2 into 4 is 8. So number of non-square numbers between the two numbers will be 8. When you substitute the formula here, 2n, 2 into, your n will be 6. 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. So we have 12 non-square numbers. The simple formula is 2n. Now let's answer this question. So the condition is, it should be in n plus 1 format. Here n equals 12. If you substitute here, 12 plus 1 equals 13. So we have the condition. So we can apply the formula, which is 2n. 2 into n is 12. 2 times 12 is 24. So the answer will be 24. So we have 24 non-squared numbers between these 12 squared and 13 squared. So next question is 25 and 26. So it is in format n plus 1. So the formula is 2n. So 2 into n is 25, which is 50. So between these two squared numbers we have 50 non-squared numbers. So next question is 99 and 100. We have n equals 99, n plus 1 equals 100. So the condition is satisfied. We can apply the formula 2n. So 2 into 99 equals 198. So between these two squared numbers, 99 squared and 100 squared, we have 198 non-squared numbers. So we can conclude, in general, we can say that there are 2n non-perfect square numbers between the squares of the numbers n and n plus 1. Thank you so much for watching this video.